Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a very specific and sometimes frustrating. So, what does B1081 actually mean? In simple terms, the driver's seat module, or DSM, has lost its memory. It doesn't know the full range of motion for the seat where the forward, back, up, and down limits are. Without this information, features like the easy entry-exit function or memory seat positions won't work correctly, and the car's computer logs this fault. You'll likely find that you can still adjust the seat manually, but none of the automated or memory functions will respond. Now, let's talk about the fix. The good news is that this usually doesn't mean a part has failed. It's a software and configuration issue. The solution is to perform a seat calibration procedure. This teaches the module the physical limits of the seat track. You'll need a capable diagnostic scan tool for this, something more advanced than a basic code reader. Tools like the Ford ID's ForScan with an appropriate adapter, or other professional-grade scanners are what you'll need to access the module-specific functions. Once you have your scan tool connected, you'll navigate to the driver's seat module, or DSM. Look for a menu labeled Module Configuration, Special Functions, or Service Procedures. Inside that menu, you should find an option like Driver's Seat Re-Zero or Seat Calibration. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on the tool you're using. When you initiate the procedure, the scan tool will guide you through the process. Typically, it will instruct the seat to move to its full extremities all the way forward, all the way back, all the way up, and all the way down. It's very important that nothing is obstructing the seat's path during this process. Make sure the floor is clear of tools, floor mats, or any debris. The module is recording the motor's position at each limit to learn its boundaries. The entire calibration process usually takes just a minute or two. The scan tool will move the seat automatically. Just follow the on-screen prompts and let it do its thing. Once the procedure is complete, the tool will confirm that the calibration was successful. At this point, it's a good idea to clear any related fault codes. Go back to the main DTC menu and clear the B1081 code from the DSM. After clearing the code, the final step is to test everything. Turn the ignition off and then back on. Try using the memory seat buttons. Set a new position for yourself. Save it, and then recall it. Also, test the easy entry-exit feature if the vehicle is equipped with it. The seat should now move back when you open the door and return to your driving position when you start the car. If everything works as it should, you're all done. So, to recap, the B1081 code on a Lincoln means the driver's seat module needs to learn the seat test position. You'll need a diagnostic scan tool to access the module. Run the seat calibration or Re-Zero procedure, and then clear the code. It's a straightforward software fix that gets your luxury features working again. I hope this video helped you understand and tackle the B1081 fault code. If you found this useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more diagnostic tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you've ever dealt with this code yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.